Welcome back to Foxtecc, where we delve into the intricacies of your tech questions. Today, we're exploring the concept of the red dot on your iPhone. Now, there are a few interpretations for this, so let's break it down. The first aspect is the red dot that appears when your iPhone is using the microphone. If your iPhone gains access to the microphone, a red or orange dot will appear, typically located right next to the Face ID sensor. If you're using an iPhone 15 or 14 Pro, you might find this dot inside a dynamic island. It's a straightforward visual cue signaling microphone access. Now, there's another interpretation of the red dot, the red blinking light from your iPhone's Face ID sensor. This occurs due to the dot projector, a crucial element for Face ID security. It projects dots on your face to verify your identity. However, it's essential to note that there's no way to manually get this red light. It's an automatic process triggered every time your iPhone scans your face. In conclusion, don't stress too much about the red dot. It's a built-in feature for security and functionality. If you have a different interpretation or if there's something specific you'd like to know, drop a comment below. And while you're at it, check out the Foxtecc educational platform I've created for you. It's entirely free. Thanks for tuning in today. If you found this information helpful, don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe for more tech insights, and click the notification bell to stay updated. Your support is invaluable. Until next time, peace.